Welcome back to the Kilted Texan, and today we're going to talk about a replacement of the Caddx Turtle V2 board. I got myself a little issue here. This particular board cooked itself right there. If you can see that little burnt spot right there, well, she cooked herself. So something was obviously wrong with this board, so I got myself a replacement. We're going to go over how to replace this board today. Now, when you order a replacement board, this is what it looks like when it comes from the factory. You get it right there, and it's just the board all by its lonesome. There ain't nothing else in there. But we'll go ahead and break it out of this bag here and see about hooking the camera back up to it and see if we can get her to work. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and separate the old board here. This dude right here, we're going to separate this from this base plate and see if we can get that camera cable out, and we'll see what happens. Now to pull this cable, all you got to do is get something underneath here and just pry that up. It just comes right off. See? Just like that. No problem. It is a press fit, so just warning you, if you know, what you can do is to kind of maybe put a little dab of hot glue or something on there just to make sure she sticks really well. So let's go ahead and get this cable back on this side over here, right? So this side, you can kind of see there's a little cover over it. So I'm going to pop that off of here. It's a little tough to do it, you know, one-handed and everything, so hold on just a second. Okay, I done got that little cable off there, so let me see if I can get that dude pop down in there. One-handed. Alright, there we go. So that's now got that board on that other side, so let's go ahead and hook her up and see if she works good. Now if you have to replace the camera board, in addition, don't make the mistake I did and leave that yellow film on there, because that needs to come off. It is just a cover to protect the sensor, but otherwise it looks like you're looking through European high beam headlights, let me tell you, because you're just going to end up with a yellow tint over everything. But make sure you pull that yellow film off when you put it in your camera as a replacement, or else it's just not going to look too hot to you. It's going to look like everything's in sepia tone and Clint Eastwood's about ready to come out behind a tree and shoot you in the face. So get that off there. All you do, just peel her off and she is just happy as a clam. So I just grab it, and it's stuck pretty good, so I'm going to have to use both hands. So just point of order there. See, I gotta tell you, this thing looks like a spaghetti western. Oh, no, that wasn't Clint Eastwood, never mind. Anyway, but never fear, we can fix it. And this is what it looks like with a new one. See, look at here. I tell you what, that is sweeter than honey pie on top of strawberries right there. Look at that. So this is the camera that I had to replace. The camera before had cooked itself, and this is the new one with the new board and a new camera board. So it can be done, so never fear. Now, it costs you dang near as much as a brand new Caddx, but I guess the key point there is almost as much as a new Caddx. So if you cook one, you can fix it. So I got both of these boards from Banggood. You can search the parts. Got the links down in the description. And other than that, have fun. Keep her in the air.